Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can blur people, objects, anything in your videos. So once you're at YouTube, just go up here, mouse up to your avatar icon. My avatar icon is Shawn Mendes. Okay, next, go to Creator Studio. Once you're at Creator Studio, you can also blur your dashboard and your email and everything on screen. Okay. Video Manager. Let me close the new tab out. Okay. And I'm just going to search a video. I don't want to keep on flipping through. I know there's numbers of pages, but I just don't want to look through the numbers of pages. So I'm just going to search for a video. Top 5 worst. I'm just going to go with top 5 worst. And just do, because a video will pop up, and I did a video of top 5 worst. Okay. Oh, here we go. Top 5 best Nintendo Switch games featuring McKinley. I'm just going to click edit, or you can go to this drop down arrow right here and click enhancements. It's faster than just clicking edit because it takes you right to info and settings. Enhancements. Okay. Next is blur faces. Oh wait. YouTube. Okay, let me pause that. Okay, so blur faces. It's when you don't want it to see people who you don't want to see in your videos. Okay. Custom blurring. You get to choose areas to blur in your video and track in your video. I'm just gonna choose faces. I don't know what that means, but I want to do. No, I don't want. I want to do custom blurring. It's okay. So you can. I'm just gonna go to right here. Okay, that's my sister right there. And I'm going to blur her out. I don't mean to do this on purpose, but I'm just going to do this as a tutorial. I don't mean to do this on purpose. Okay? I'm not trying to be mean, but anyway, and once you mess up, click the backspace on your keyboard if you have a Chromebook. And if you, okay, I'm just going to do that. There we go. There. And now, see? I don't know if you can fix this, but I haven't really tried. And once you're done with that, click done. And then let me see if it actually works. Let's see if it actually works. Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? Look, here's I'm gonna let you do. Look, oh yeah, it does work. See, that's what it does. But I'm really not going to save it because last video I'm just not. She was being bad. Because that would be mean. I didn't want to. But you know, if I accidentally save it, then one dislike because I disliked I don't know. That's the one dislike. Then I can't undo it. So here, let me. I'm just not gonna do it. Revert to original. Okay, so I'm just going to click save to see if it worked. Let's see. YouTubers, what's up, everyone? If you accidentally did this, see, now she shows up. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, then hit the subscribe button, like this video. Let's reach at least 100 likes. Okay, so like this video, comment down below on what on what YouTube tips you want me to do on how to do something. Okay, and I will do it on the next video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and be safe out there and don't get in trouble. Okay? Okay, bye.